Okay? That's equal to v times the derivative of u with respect to x minus u times the derivative of v with respect to x, all divided by v squared. Okay?
That's
Again,
weird.
I don't want to get, and maybe I should show you where it comes from, but this is the rule, and I'll show you how to use the rule. In your books, there's a very good explanation of where it comes from, using the definition of a derivative. But again, this is actually to clean it up a little bit and make it look just a little bit nicer. V times u prime minus u times v prime all over v squared. If you YouTube the quotient rule, I guarantee you will find some nice songs and dances about how to memorize the quotient rule. There's tons of them out there.
So
And
you're
it's
gonna.
going to surprise you, but I don't do any of them. I don't do any songs, I don't do any dances.
Not even for the camera?
No. You have to go v times u prime minus u times v prime all over v squared. Okay? Yes?
Maybe a dumb question. That part where it's like d times u over v over d of x is like that means with the over d of x, that means with respect to x.
That's the derivative of u with respect to x. The derivative of v with respect to
So
x.
that just means like when it's like v of x, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So like here's an example we can look at. Put it over here.
Over there.
F of x equals 4x plus 5 all over 2 minus 3x. Okay? So again, it doesn't hurt to come over here to the side and say that this is my u, this is my v. So then my u prime of x is 4. My v prime of x is negative 3. So then f prime of x is equal to v times u prime. So 2 minus 3x times 4 minus u times v prime. 4x plus 5 times negative 3 divided by 2 minus 3x quantity squared. I can clean this up a little bit, and I can say that is 4 minus 12x plus 12x.
8 minus 12x.
Couldn't you just cancel out the 2 minus 3 x's?
No! Can you cancel out the 2 minus 3 x's?
No, because they are in all three terms.
No, because this is two terms. Okay? So then
Way
that's
to
negative
go.
12, positive 12. That's negative 8. So that's positive 8. All over, and I'll leave it as x minus.
15 plus 15 at the end.
Thank you.
Figures.
Cancel, cancel.
Hooray.
So then I've got 23 over 2 minus 3x quantity squared. Okay, and you can leave it like that.
Very cool.
All right. So that's the quotient rule. Again, rules 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 are pretty basic. Okay, many of you have already been working with those. Okay, you've already been checking your work with the power rule, and they're just various forms of the power rule. All right. 5 and 6, you've got to memorize. And like I said, if you go home and you want to YouTube, I guarantee it, if you type in product rule in YouTube, you will get some high school classroom somewhere singing some little song about how to memorize the product rule. If you Google or if you YouTube the quotient rule, and that's all you put in, the quotient rule, you will get some high school classroom singing a song about how to remember the quotient rule. Okay? And so I suggest, if you find a good one that you want to share, bring it to class and I'll put it up on the screen and we can all watch it. Okay? Here.
If we make one, can we get extra credit?
Dude, that is a good idea.
I need extra credit in this class.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll make one.
Let's just, we could just all work together.
To put it up in front of the class.
We could just all work together and make a really cool music video.
All the computers laid with the videotapes?
No.
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 No? Not even if it's a really good video?
Depends on if it's really, if it impresses me, then maybe.
If
Okay.
it blows your mind.
If it blows my
Yeah, I'll
mind.
never do that.
We're taking this as a challenge, America. I'm getting the extra credit.
What?